Fractal-based trading. Today, I'd like to illustrate how to find the turns in any market on any time frame. Okay, if you can't find one on today, we're looking at the RUT. You can apply the method for the Dow, the Nasdaq, SPX. All right, we'll take a look at the RUT. All right, now on 4-hour time frame. Once again, you have to go through the time frames to identify a decaying or a growing fractal. All right. Now, on 4-hour time frame, we have again, we have a setup right here. Okay, that's a growing fractal, meaning the trend will be up. Okay, how far up? We don't know until we find another fractal that will indicate a turn. Now, currently here, we have another growth fractal right here. Okay, growing, growing. All right, it will give you a direction for the market, and if the fractal fails, the beauty of the fractal system is that you can protect yourself from a reversal that will happen. Again, we're mapping the market. We're not predicting what's going to happen. No one can do that. All right, so we have two growing fractals here. All right, now this one broke the top. It kept going, and then now we have another growing fractal. Okay, the market will grow and it will decline. And what we do, we find the fractals in our fractal container, i.e. the growing fractals and the decaying fractals. Here we have two growing fractals, okay? And what you do, you simply label the fractals, as I'm doing here. This is very common here, okay? Again, you can find this on Neil's channel or on Telegram. And when you find a similar fractal, again, they are not exact, all right? And here's the bottom here. All right. Likewise here too, this would be an A, B, C, D, E, F. Wait. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we'll call that, we'll label that as G for a bottom. All right. Okay, now you have two setups, one here on Tuesday, and we have another one here, okay, on Wednesday. Again, we're looking at the 4-hour chart, okay? Now, how do you trade the fractal? Well, after you identify a fractal from the container, we have a growing fractal here, you wait for a break. Now, a break would be a confirmation of the growing fractal. You put your hedge here, or a hard stop, okay, sell stop times 2, or simply a stop, all right? And you take the trend going up until you find another decaying fractal, which means the trend will be down. You break the top of the fractal channel here, we're going up. All right, so currently, right, kind of bullish here. Lately, during a week here, we have this one growing, so the market will be turning up. Now, if you wait here and enter, okay, put your stop, the market will go up. Now, if you put a hedge here, sell stop times 2, if the market goes down, it will take you out of the long and put you into a trade going down. So actually, it doesn't really matter what the market does. All you're doing is identifying the pattern for the market go up or the market can go down. So again, I'll be putting a fast track video series on how to trade the fractals using my method. The fractals have been found going out through time on any market on any time frame. Okay, all you have to do is pick a picture here or a picture here, and then you can execute the trade. All right. Now, what's going to happen on Monday? We don't know, but on the 4-hour time frame, it's indicating a trend up. Okay. If you want to get a more accurate entry point, you can go to a lower time frame. Okay. And this one here, not too clear. You want an entry point, and you keep drilling down on the fractal to find an entry point here and a possible direction of the market. Okay, now we can go down maybe to the 13. Okay, this is pretty similar here. It's bullish. All right, so you would mark that as a growing fractal here. Okay. And if you notice, we have a double bottom here, which is kind of bullish. Okay, right here. All right. So you can go long here, put a sell stop times 2 in case there's another fractal indicating a move down. Okay, so come Monday on a cash, it kind of looks bullish here. So again, it doesn't really matter what the market's going to do as long as you have a strategy. We can go maybe 15-minute time frame. We don't have too much here, maybe on 13. There it is again. And if we go to maybe the 10, okay, not too much there. That's why you have to go through all the time frames in order to find a decaying or growing fractal. Again, you can do the fractals even on a smaller time frame. Okay, and you can even go on the 1-minute time frame too. Okay, hence we didn't find any clear fractals here, so we're gonna have to go back to our original strategy here, where markets will probably continue to rise. Hank Wernicke from ElliotFractals.com, X.com, Telegram, YouTube.com, and Facebook. We'll find out what happens tonight on the micro. I did put that on Telegram, and take a look at it, and we'll find out what happens tonight and Monday.